I don't think as a team we could have expected or hoped for as good a result as we got. Everyone was on form last weekend and we're hoping to carry that into this weekend. We had 9 players that got on the court and everyone contributed well, so everyone has that little bit of confidence now coming into this Sunday.
Teams need to know how to win, and I think we do know that. It just kind of depends on if we show up on the day, but we do have that experience under our belt. Our young girls have got valuable minutes in those games as well, so everybody has been here before. We have some excellent new pros in Sam and Destiny, and obviously Yeva has been back in her 3rd season.
They just have some good big guys, both their, I think, Canadian, Robert Montgomery, but also John Carroll, Irish international. He's a tough matchup. It's where you want to be when you're a basketball player. This is what we live for. The weekend you want to be a part of. Definitely don't want to sit at home and watch it.
Yeah, Demons is a really good team. You know, we played them earlier in the year and, you know, we caught them off the back-to-back, so I know this weekend is going to be very much different. They have really good Americans, some really good pros. They have really good Irish players. They play really fast. They shoot the ball well, so it's definitely going to take a group defensive effort, and then offensively we're going to have to share the ball and just play with pace like we have been and just keep doing what we're doing.
Not many chances you get to play in, you know, hopefully a packed basketball arena. So it's about kind of being able to soak that in, but also enjoy the occasion, but also play the game as opposed to the occasion. So it's about kind of getting all those bits together and making sure everyone's heads are screwed on and everyone's excited and ready to go.
It's a one-day game, and it might be totally different. You know, it can go either way. So who will want it more will win the game.
I feel like guys are just picking it up. I see guys in the gym a little bit longer. I see guys doing a little bit more than they usually do. Obviously to give it their best performance for the biggest game of our lives as of right now. The way we're approaching it is we want to win. And for me, I never won one. Obviously I inherit the ones they won before, but I want to get one myself. So I'm coming in hungry as ever, and I know my teammates are as well.
It's a big game and there's a trophy to be won, but at the end of the day, it's still just 40 minutes on Saturday night. Like, you know, like every week we go out and prepare to do our best. 40 minutes on a Saturday night, you know. So anything else, the noise and all that, it's just extra tension. It's not needed, like, you know. So I think we're just going to approach it the exact same way. What a party it could be if we both win, like, you know. It would be great. Obviously, the women have had a higher standard than the men the last few years. You know, they're not new to this, so hopefully we can keep up with them and get both of the wins.